How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not showing in settings in your Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. It usually indicates that an issue with your Wi-Fi adapter, drivers and services. So here's how you can fix it. First of all, check for the hidden or disabled Wi-Fi adapter. For that, you have to open up Device Manager, click on the search icon, open up Device Manager. On the Device Manager, now expand the network adapter. And on the network adapter, look for something like Intel Wireless or Realtek Wireless. If you see this adapter, right click on them, and here you have to go to the enable device if it is disabled. If it has something like a yellow warning sign, that indicates that you have to update or reinstall the driver. But in case if you cannot find this network adapter here, then you have to go to view at the top, and here you have to click on show hidden devices. After that, you may find your network adapter. Now the second option is to reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. Again, in the Device Manager, you have to right click on the Wi-Fi adapter. Expand this network adapter. Then you have to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter. Then you have to go to the uninstall devices. Once you do that, now restart your PC. Windows will try to reinstall the driver automatically. If it is not automatically added, then again what you have to do is again come to the same Device Manager, right click, and then you have to click on the hardware, scan for hardware changes, and after that the driver will be installed automatically. If this still does not work or help you, then you have to restart some essential services. You can close your Device Manager, then you have to again press Windows plus R key in your keyboard, and on this run command you have to type in services.msc, click on OK. Now from all of the services, first of all find the WLAN autoconfig. You could simply head towards the W section by clicking on the W in your keyboard. So from here, search for WLAN configuration. Here I have WLAN autoconfig, and here you have to restart the services. Click on right click, and here you may have an option to restart it. Click on restart. Similarly, find other services such as network connection. Head towards the N section, click on this interface, click N in your keyboard, and here search for network connections and right click on it, and then again restart the devices or the services. And the last one is network list service. Right click on it, and here click on restart. And also if you go to the properties here, on the startup type you have to set it to automatic, then click on apply, click on OK. So this may also help you solve your problem. Check if that helps you or not. If that still does not help you, then another option is to install Windows Update. Go to the settings in your device, navigate to left hand side, click on Windows Update, and here click on check for updates, and if there's any updates available, make sure to install them all. If none of this work for you, then you can reset your network. Here go to the settings, go to network and internet, and here scroll down a bit, click on advanced network settings, and from here you can reset your network. Click on network reset. After that, confirm it and reset it. You will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi after you reboot them. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if your Wi-Fi is not showing in your device settings. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.